Hello everyone, good morning to all, and this side Aftab Ahmed. Welcome to this video, and today I would like to tell about debate private hospital is better than government hospital. And firstly, I want to say about private hospital. Private hospital is a more facilities available in the private hospital, like great doctors and more eligibility of doctors and more confidently doctors are in private hospitals. And like also you know that nowadays um, in government hospital doctors they are preferred to any medicines are generic, that's not
Yes.
preferred to patent drugs because, and if you cannot take medicine in government sector only 30% buy, and 70% drugs are you can take for outside in private pharmacy.
But in it's a India is a great country and the best country, but all Indians can't afford the fees of the private hospital. That's
uh,
why I think government give a Prathmik Swasth Kendra and a dispensary in every area. That's a great opportunity for poors. Poverty is overheaded in a country. According to me, uh, everybody can't afford the fees and medicinal uh, money in private sector, but in government sector everybody can um, afford. The government provide many types of medicines and every types of CT scan like X-ray and other types of facilities available over there. That's why it's better for poor. What's your opinion?
Yes. Poor people cannot prefer to government
Yes.
private hospital.
Yes.
I accept for that.
Yes.
But a poor person are uh, suffer to severe condition
Yes.
like onco patients.
Yes.
But oncologists doctors are not present in government hospital. Then what you can do?
But you have to raise your voice to the government, according to me, because we are a citizen person responsible also for. You have to uh, enlighten your government, and you have to force to your government, give me my rights.
Okay.
Government can give you every type of facilities. In India, there are so many uh, dispensaries and so many AIMS also, All India Institute of Medical Science available.
Yes.
Who provide you many types of medicines and every type of research center available. Everybody want to join in NEET in government sector. Why? Because its fees is very low, price very low. That's why. And in private sector, the price is very high. No, everybody can afford the fees in
Yes.
private sector because everybody has no money. It's a farmer country. India is the uh, best country, but India has many types of problems, and it has lots of poor person available in your country.
Yes, also I agree for that.
Yes.
But also know that nowadays,
Yes.
also you can see that, also you saw that see that more doctors in government sector that that prefers to you can check out private sector, private laboratories, private.
Because of means a type of not a type of discrimination and a type of many fraudulent type.
No,
I think
that is
because the doctor connect with the private sector, doctor connect with the government sector.
But also you know that availability and your preference is your preference,
government
is get in private sector.
But government sector doctor very well qualified, sir. Where
No.
they have lots of experience and they have lots of knowledge about MBBS, and they're well qualified and well trained doctor over there. But in private sector, no, you have no idea about who has lots of experience or not. But in government sector, every doctor are well qualified MBBS doctor, specialist doctor are available over there. In a government private sector you have no idea about it, but in government sector it's a registered doctor available over there.
Listen me.
Yes.
Also you see that nowadays more doctors in private sector. Also he's completed degree in London and foreign countries and Gulf countries.
Yes.
Yes. Also he have to good treatment and good knowledge for especially for like MBBS, MD and PhD overall degree to have that.
But very fraudulation going on in this time.
No,
Because
no.
many types of doctor, ordinary doctor, everybody can show off. I am the best doctor, I am the physician, I am the MBBS, but they have no lots of experience. They are learning many things with the experience holder doctor, with the MBBS doctor, but they have no experience. But MBBS doctor means the well talented, selected by government, need qualify. They qualify the examination of medical. That's why we believe in government sector, but they are not careful to us. Literally, that's the bloody point for you. But government sector doctor have lots of idea and lots of experience.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
But also you say,
Yes.
you said that government sector in all type of specialist doctor are present in there, okay?
Yes.
Right now.
Yes.
But nowadays you can live in Belsara Road, right?
Yes. Yes.
They are present in hospital is PHC.
Yes.
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 How many type of department of specialist?
Many
No
type of
cardiologist. No.
DP,
No
OPD.
cardiologist. No cardiologist. No nephrologist.
Do you know cardiologist means
In government sector hospital.
listen me. If you want to cardiologist, you have to go in a large sector like Varanasi,
But
Lucknow.
but
It's a countryside area, sir.
No.
Try to understand. It's a not
is
a
not-
high level area.
that is not
The
the
high level doctor you can found in a big city. It's a very short
What you
means
can
a
do
town
here?
area, sir. This
Your
is
patient
a
is
small city, not a big city.
Okay, I agree.
Yes,
But
it's a
your patient-
dispensary only enough for you. But
Listen,
it's a countryside area, not a big area,
in
sir.
government sector hospitals are not dialysis, kidney dialysis availability or not.
Oh, you have to go
No,
another
that is
city
impossible.
if you
My
want
patient-
to be.
My patient is very severe condition to face.
Where?
What I can do in this
Where?
condition? What I can do?
Which city belongs?
I am from Belsara.
In Belthara Road is a small city,
No,
sir. Only 2 lakh
I have
people
no time.
live over here.
I have no time.
2
My
lakh,
patient is
not
also-
more. Means
My-
a 15 lakh, 20 lakhs. It's a metropolitan or big city person
Okay.
can treatment in the city area.
Okay.
Like there are so many cancer hospitals available in a big city, in metropolitan area, Lilavati and big AIMS are available. In Belthara Road, only dispensary available. You want to cardiologist.
Listen me. You cannot say that. What is the specialty doctor in your CHC hospital and PHC hospital? I have no time. My patient is also suffered to very severe condition that I have no time. What he can suffer?
Dino, sir, there are 10 doctors available in a dispensary of Belthara Road. They are not cardiologists and they are not especially means another types of big doctors, but they have experience about general physician. They know how to treat how to treat generally